Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are doing well. I welcome you all to our online class. So, what we were discussing in our previous class? We were discussing about fused bulb. And I hope all of you have copied the notes in your notebook and studied the notes. Today, we will discuss about electric switch. What is an electric switch? A switch is a simple device that either breaks the circuit or completes it. Switch is used for lighting the electric bulb and other devices in homes. So let us understand this, what is a switch, with the help of an activity. Now let us perform an activity to understand the principle behind electric switch. Take two drawing pins, a safety pin or a paper clip, two wires and a small sheet of a thermocol. Now insert a drawing pin into the ring at one end of the safety pin and fix it on the thermocol sheet. Make sure that the safety pin rotate freely. Now fix the other drawing pin on the thermocol sheet in a way free ends of the safety pin can touch it. The safety pin fixed in this way would be your switch in this activity. Now take the circuit we made in the previous class and detach the two wires connecting the electric bulb and the cell, and connect one wire to one drawing pin and another wire to the other drawing pin. Now rotate the safety pin so that its free end touches the other drawing pin. Now we can observe that the bulb is glowing. Now move this safety pin away. We can observe that the bulb stops glowing. The safety pin covered the gap between the drawing pin when we made it touch two of them. In this position, switch is set to be on. Since the material of the safety pin allows the current to pass through it, the circuit was complete and hence the bulb glows. On the other hand, the bulb did not glow when the safety pin was not in touch with the other drawing pin. The circuit was not complete as there was a gap between the two drawing pins. In this position, the switch is said to be off. Now let us understand about a torch. A torch is an example of simple electric circuit. It is an electric device that emits light. It consists of bulb, electric cells, switch, a reflector, and a cylindrical shaped casing. Now let us understand function of each component of a torch. Bulb. The bulb emits light when electric current flows through its filament. Electric cell. The cell is an electricity producing device. The required current for the filament of the bulb is supplied by it. Switch. The switch is used to complete and break the circuit inside the torch. In simple words, it is used to turn the torch on and off. Reflector. The reflector is a curved silvered mirror. It is used you can see here. It is used to focus the light in a particular direction. Casing. The casing is used to provide covering for the basic component of the torch for protection and safe handling. So children, today we discussed about electric switch. All of you please read the textbook. I have attached the URL video and notes. All of you please copy the notes in your notebook. And all of you please attend the test paper and post it. Okay, take care, bye.